What if I told you there's a way to predict where prices might stop, reverse, or explode with high accuracy? It's not magic. It's the power of demand and supply zones. Most beginner traders completely overlook them, and that's where you'll gain the edge. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot these zones, draw them on your charts, and, most importantly, trade them profitably. Let's dive in. You're looking at a price chart, and suddenly, you notice that prices tend to reverse sharply from specific areas. These aren't just random spots, they're demand and supply zones. Demand zones are areas where buyers step in aggressively, while supply zones are where sellers dominate. See this? Every time the price hits this area, it bounces back up. Why? Because buyers see it as a bargain. And here, that's a supply zone. Prices hit it and drop like a rock because sellers jump in to offload their positions. But spotting these zones isn't as easy as it looks. There's a method to it, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in the next section. To find a demand zone, look for areas where the price drops sharply and then reverses quickly. These sharp movements usually leave behind what we call an imbalance, meaning there were more buyers than sellers. Here's a tip. Focus on the last candle before the big move. That's often your key zone. An unusually long wick also characterizes it. Now, for supply zones, it's the opposite. Look for areas where the price shoots up and then reverses just as sharply. Again, the last candle before the move is crucial. To draw the zone, take the rectangle tool from the sidebar on TradingView and draw it from the low to the high of the last candle before the move. Similarly, look here. This is the aggressive candle, and this is where we draw the zone. Okay, you've drawn your zones, but the question is, how do you actually trade them for profit? That's where most traders stumble, and I'll show you how to avoid that. Here's where the fun begins. Trading these zones isn't just about watching prices hit them. You need a plan. Let me break it down for you. First thing is to wait for confirmation. For demand zones, this could be a bullish candle pattern or a breakout. For supply zones, look for bearish patterns or breakdowns. Then set your entries. For demand zones, place your entry just above the zone, and for supply zones, just below. Don't forget your stop loss. Place it slightly outside the zone to protect yourself from fake breakouts. For take profit, if you're buying from a demand zone, aim for the next supply zone and vice versa. It's that simple, but you must follow the rules. Now that you know the strategy, imagine using this on your favorite trading pairs. How would your results look? I'll leave that to you to explore, but trust me, this technique can be a game changer. So, now you know how to spot, draw, and trade demand and supply zones like a pro. But the learning doesn't stop here. Tell me in the comments, which trading technique do you want to learn next? Smash that thumbs up button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. For even more free trading resources, head over to BrokerCheck Academy. You'll find in-depth guides and tools to level up your trading game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.